this is NIJ Lifestyle. What you wear is how you present yourself to the world, especially today when human contacts are more through social media and visual depiction. Fashion is instant language and also very important. While fashions come and go, style is eternal. Style is one thing you can't buy. It's not in a shopping bag, a label, or a price tag. It's something reflected from our soul to the outside world like an emotion. When it comes to his personal style, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stands out with his distinct sartorial choices. The official head of the largest democracy in the world, PM Modi is one of the most powerful men in the world by virtue of his post and a greatly loved leader because of his capabilities to connect with people at large. Being the third most followed political leader on Twitter, Modi is a youth icon and a next generation leader. Be it yoga or Make in India or Swachh Bharat, he has a bold and definitive approach to everything and a multi-dimensional personality perfect enough to represent our diverse India. His personality reflects in the wide range of dressing statements he makes. On his birthday, let's appraise some of these eclectic choices. PM Modi is mostly seen in khadi kurtas, hand-woven scarves, smart jackets and bandkalas. While white khadi kurtas have been a favorite of Indian politicians for long, Modi brought to it more flair with his choice of dapper and colourful jackets. His appreciation of our handloom sector and our diverse culture is apparent when he wears elaborate headgears and scarves with aplomb and ease. PM Modi has often rocked the white on white look, which is often considered an otherwise difficult look to achieve. But personally, I love how he combines colors. People look forward to his somewhat flamboyant safas and pagris that he dons for the Republic Day parade and Independence Day appearances. Donning bright saffron pagris, bandhanis from Rajasthan, Leheria and more. He has used the color blocking trend with utmost ease. Jackets in colors such as maroon, orange, gold, pastel pink, powder blue or forest green have accentuated his off-white or white kurtas often, thus setting a trend of Modi jackets amongst Indian men all over again. For his international appearances, PM Modi has often worn a traditional black band gala, which is one of the best outfits for Indian men. PM Modi has also sported a conventional suit at times while visiting other countries where it suited the occasion. He wears stylish cufflinks with shirts. Once while visiting the US, PM Modi changed 4 distinct looks in a day, each going perfectly with the place and occasion. At times he has worn stylish leisure wear too while visiting sporting arenas and such. One very good dressing dictum he follows is to wear the local craft of the regions he is visiting in India or abroad. Be it the Hornbill Festival of Nagaland or visit to Mongolia, Modi always adorns a special accessory or dress to vibe better with the crowd. Modi likes to localize his style to the places he visits with apt headgear and colourful scarves. Campaigning for the general elections, he donned the traditional Assamese japi in northeastern Assam. In Arunachal Pradesh, he wore Dumaluk, a traditional headgear of the Adi tribe. While in Punjab, he opted for an elaborate pagri. And we have to say, he carries even the most traditional dresses with panache. He also accessorizes these ethnic outfits rather well with the Rudraksh mala, shawls, dark glasses, designer fountain pens and Movado watches. He was bold enough to drape a vibrant orange-peach pashmina once while meeting President Barack Obama, thus making an individualistic style statement, where most Western suits in diplomacy look similar in regimented grey and dark blue hues. Internationally, image management is a full-time engagement for world leaders and everything they wear and carry is well planned and articulated. Now, the idea behind image management with a leader is to build a connection with their audience. Clothes and accessories create an image that connects with the culture, nationality and people. They are often used to build a patriotic or nationalist narrative as well. Politicians also have to dress by occasion. Let's see what noted image consultant and stylist Priya Mohan Rajiv has to say about PM Modi's personal dressing style.
I absolutely love Modi ji's sense of styling. I think he looks really smart and dapper no matter what he wears. So I feel that his styling exudes a lot of consciousness and energy. So I would say it's classic, at the same time very spiritual. So when he wears his jackets, you can see that they're really structured and sharp, which is a part of his personality. His kurta pajamas are very simple and warm, which is again another side of his personality. And at times he does throw in a stole which adds in a lot of color and vibrancy which reflects our country. So he has an eye for detail when it comes to fashion, and he leads by example. And it's because of him we've all started embracing our Indian textiles. We started promoting our artisans, and I strongly feel that we've become far more conscious in our dressing ever since he's been our leader. So thank you so much, Modi ji, for making us all become so conscious, aware of our culture, and reviving everything that's true to our country.
Well put. Modi's effort of promoting khadi has definitely given a new boost to the hand-spun fabric. He has really promoted handloom a lot by wearing it proudly time and again, and also mentioning it in his inspiring speeches.
कि आजादी के पहले खादी फॉर नेशन, आजादी के बाद खादी फॉर फैशन। लोग हैरान थे कि खादी कैसे फैशनेबल हो सकती है, खादी कपड़ों का फैशन शो कैसे हो सकता है, और कोई ऐसा सोच भी कैसे सकता है कि खादी और फैशन को एक साथ ले आए। आज जब सुनता हूं कि खादी स्टोर से एक एक दिन में 1-1 करोड़ रुपए की बिक्री हो रही है, तो मैं अपने वो दिन भी याद करता हूं दोस्तों। साल 2014 के पहले 20 वर्षों में जितने रुपए की खादी की बिक्री हुई थी, उससे ज्यादा की खादी पिछले 6 साल में बिक्री हो चुकी है।
Khadi has got a lot of attention because of his efforts. Recently, he endeared himself to everybody while sporting a gamcha signed by the Olympics contestants while receiving them for breakfast at his official residence. Well, he certainly is a power dresser and is particular about what he carries. His brand of dressing is the right amalgamation of sustainability and style and exhibits his emotional quotient. He surely is one of the most stylish PMs we have had. We wish Prime Minister Modi a very happy birthday. Thank you for watching.